In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name cells in Microsoft Excel. Naming cells in Excel is a simple feature, but it can make your spreadsheets much easier to use, especially when you're working with important values that you may want to find again quickly. Instead of remembering a cell reference like B2 or F10, you can assign that cell a clear, meaningful name that's easier to recognize. To begin, click the cell you want to name. This is the specific cell you'll be assigning a custom label to, so make sure you select the correct one before moving on. Once the cell is selected, look toward the upper left area of the Excel window. This is where you'll find the name box. The name box is the small field that normally displays the current cell address, such as A1, C5, or whatever cell you currently have selected. It's a very useful part of Excel, but it's easy to overlook if you haven't used it before. After locating the name box, click directly inside it. When you click there, the existing cell reference will become highlighted. This is important because it means Excel is ready for you to replace that default address with a custom name. At this point, you can start typing the name you want to assign to the cell. Choose a name that helps you understand what the cell contains. For example, if the cell holds a total, a price, or a specific result, use a name that clearly matches that purpose. Keeping names short, clear, and descriptive will help you stay in it organized later, especially in larger worksheets. Once you've typed your desired name, press enter. That's it. The cell is now named. From now on, that cell can be identified by the name you entered instead of just its row and column address. This can help when navigating through a workbook and can also make your Excel work feel more organized and easier to manage. As a quick tip, after pressing enter, you can click the drop-down area of the name box later to check or revisit that named cells if needed. That makes this feature especially helpful when you're working in spreadsheets with lots of data. And that's how to name cells in Microsoft Excel. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference in how clearly you work inside your spreadsheet.